Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming prerequisites and then take the first actionable steps. Open Vscode, sign into your GitHub account, and enable the Copilot extension. Once done, open your web project folder and create a basic index. HTML and script. JS so Copilot has context. Make sure Git is initialized so Copilot can reference the repo. Now place your cursor where you want code and type a clear prompt or comment. Copilot will begin suggesting completions immediately. You continue by letting Copilot assist with implementation and refinement. Write precise inline comments like // create fetch function for posts to guide suggestions, then accept or edit the offered code. Use tab to accept and control or CMD plus enter to see alternatives. Cycle until the snippet fits. Once Copilot scaffolds components or API calls, run the code and iterate. Make sure to run unit or integration tests. Copilot can suggest tests too. This stage is about shaping suggestions into production-ready code. You wrap up by validating and finalizing the changes Copilot produced. Run the app in the browser, inspect network and console logs, and confirm UI behavior. Then refine any Copilot-generated code for performance and security. Commit meaningful changes with Git so suggestions learn context. If suggestions stop or are off, rephrase prompts, add more surrounding code, or restart the Copilot extension. One key troubleshooting tip: check your Vscode sign-in and extension.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.